Top 5 best morning foods to repair muscles fast. Most people wake up every morning thinking they're doing everything right for their health. But here's the shocking truth. While you're eating breakfast, your muscles may actually be starving for the nutrients they need to repair and grow. The scary part? Muscle loss doesn't only happen to older adults. It can start much earlier than most people realize. Every day, your body naturally breaks down muscle tissue. If you don't give your muscles the right nutrients first thing in the morning, recovery slows down, strength decreases, and over time you may notice fatigue, weakness, and even age-related muscle loss, known as sarcopenia. Your muscles work hard for you every single day. They help you move, lift, walk, climb stairs, and stay independent. But after hours of fasting during sleep, your muscles wake up hungry. That's why breakfast is one of the most important meals for muscle repair. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 best morning foods that repair muscles fast. These foods are packed with high-quality protein, essential amino acids, vitamins, and minerals that help rebuild muscle tissue, support recovery, and keep your muscles strong as you age. Number 1. Eggs. When it comes to repairing muscles fast, few foods can compete with eggs. They are often considered one of the best natural sources of protein because they contain all 9 essential amino acids that the body needs to build and repair muscle tissue. After a long night of sleep, your body has gone several hours without food, and your muscles are ready for nutrients. Starting your morning with eggs provides your muscles with high-quality protein that can help kickstart the recovery process and support muscle maintenance throughout the day. One large egg contains about 6 grams of protein along with important vitamins and minerals that support overall health. What makes eggs especially valuable for muscle repair is their rich supply of leucine, an essential amino acid that plays a major role in muscle protein synthesis. Muscle protein synthesis is the process your body uses to repair damaged muscle fibers and build stronger ones. Whether you exercise regularly, do physical work, or simply want to maintain muscle mass as you age, leucine is one of the most important nutrients for preserving strength. Eggs also provide vitamin D, which helps support muscle function and may contribute to maintaining muscle strength over time. They contain B vitamins that help convert food into energy, allowing your muscles to perform efficiently throughout the day. In addition, eggs provide selenium and choline, nutrients that support cellular health and recovery. Another advantage of eggs is their versatility. They can be boiled, scrambled, poached, or made into an omelet with vegetables for an even more nutritious breakfast. Pairing eggs with whole grain toast, oatmeal, or fresh fruit can create a balanced meal that supplies protein, carbohydrates, and essential nutrients. This combination helps replenish energy stores while giving your muscles the building blocks they need for recovery. Affordable, convenient, and packed with muscle-supporting nutrition. Eggs remain one of the smartest morning foods for anyone looking to repair muscles faster, maintain strength, and support healthy muscle function as they get older. Number 2. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is one of the most powerful foods you can eat in the morning if your goal is faster muscle recovery and stronger muscles. Many people think of it as just a healthy snack, but it offers a unique combination of nutrients that can make a real difference when it comes to repairing muscle tissue. After a night of fasting, your muscles need a fresh supply of protein to begin the rebuilding process, and Greek yogurt delivers exactly that. One of the biggest advantages of Greek yogurt is its high protein content. A single serving can provide anywhere from 15 to 20 grams of protein, depending on the brand and serving size. This protein contains essential amino acids that help repair tiny muscle fibers that become damaged during exercise, daily activity, or the natural aging process. Providing your muscles with these amino acids early in the day helps support muscle protein synthesis, the process responsible for rebuilding and maintaining muscle mass. Greek yogurt also contains both fast-acting and slow-digesting proteins. This means your muscles receive an immediate supply of amino acids while continuing to benefit from a steady release of protein for several hours. This sustained nourishment can be especially beneficial for older adults who are trying to prevent age-related muscle loss or anyone looking to improve recovery after physical activity. Another important benefit of Greek yogurt is its probiotic content. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that support digestive health. A healthy digestive system plays a critical role in nutrient absorption, allowing your body to efficiently use the protein, vitamins, and minerals needed for muscle repair. Greek yogurt is also a good source of calcium, phosphorus, potassium, and B vitamins, nutrients that contribute to muscle function, energy production, and overall health. For the healthiest option, choose plain Greek yogurt without added sugars. You can enhance its nutritional value by adding fresh berries, sliced bananas, nuts, or seeds. This creates a balanced breakfast that provides protein, antioxidants, healthy fats, and carbohydrates. Rich in muscle-building nutrients and easy to prepare, Greek yogurt remains one of the best morning foods for supporting muscle recovery, preserving strength, and helping your body stay active and resilient over time. Number 3. Oatmeal with milk. Oatmeal with milk is one of the most effective breakfast combinations for supporting muscle recovery and providing long-lasting energy throughout the day. While many people focus only on protein when thinking about muscle repair, the truth is that your muscles also need quality carbohydrates and essential nutrients to recover properly. After several hours of sleep, your body's energy stores are lower, and your muscles are ready for both fuel and rebuilding materials. Oatmeal with milk delivers both in a simple and nutritious meal. Oatmeal is rich in complex carbohydrates, which are digested more slowly than refined grains and sugary breakfast foods. This slow digestion provides a steady release of energy instead of causing rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar. Stable energy levels are important because your muscles rely on a consistent supply of fuel to perform, recover, and function efficiently throughout the day. Oats also contain dietary fiber, which supports digestion and helps maintain overall metabolic health. Adding milk significantly increases the muscle-building benefits of oatmeal. Milk contains high-quality protein, including both whey and casein proteins. Whey protein is absorbed quickly and provides amino acids to your muscles soon after eating. Casein protein digests more slowly, helping supply your muscles with a steady stream of amino acids for several hours. This combination makes milk an excellent partner for oatmeal when muscle recovery is the goal. In addition to protein and carbohydrates, oatmeal with milk provides important nutrients such as calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, and B vitamins. Calcium and magnesium help support normal muscle contractions, while B vitamins assist the body in converting food into usable energy. These nutrients work together to support muscle performance and recovery. Another advantage of oatmeal with milk is its versatility. You can add berries, bananas, nuts, seeds, or a spoonful of peanut butter to increase the nutritional value even further. These additions provide antioxidants, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals that support overall health and muscle function. Affordable, filling, and packed with nutrients, oatmeal with milk is one of the smartest morning meals for anyone looking to repair muscles faster, maintain strength, and provide their body with lasting energy throughout the day. Number 4. Banana with peanut butter. Banana with peanut butter may seem like a simple breakfast choice, but it provides a powerful combination of nutrients that can help support muscle recovery and overall muscle health. Many people focus entirely on protein when trying to repair muscles, but recovery requires much more than that. Your muscles also need carbohydrates to restore energy, healthy fats for sustained fuel, and important minerals that help them function properly. This is exactly why banana and peanut butter work so well together as a morning meal. Bananas are best known for their potassium content. Potassium is an essential mineral that plays a key role in muscle contractions and nerve function. When potassium levels are too low, muscles may become weak, fatigued, or prone to cramping. After physical activity, or even a long night of sleep, replenishing potassium can help support healthy muscle function and recovery. A medium banana also provides natural carbohydrates, which help restore glycogen stores. Glycogen is the stored form of energy that muscles use during activity, and replacing it is an important part of the recovery process. Peanut butter adds another layer of muscle-supporting nutrition. It contains plant-based protein, healthy monounsaturated fats, and important nutrients such as magnesium and vitamin E. The protein provides amino acids that contribute to muscle repair, while the healthy fats help keep you satisfied and provide a steady source of energy throughout the morning. Magnesium is especially important because it supports muscle function and helps the body use protein efficiently. Together, banana and peanut butter create a balanced combination of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats. This balance helps prevent sudden energy crashes and keeps your body fueled for longer periods. The natural sweetness of the banana also makes this breakfast enjoyable, without relying on processed sugars or highly refined foods. Another advantage is convenience. This combination requires almost no preparation and can be eaten at home or on the go. You can slice a banana and spread peanut butter on top, blend them into a smoothie, or enjoy them alongside oatmeal for an even more complete breakfast. Simple, affordable, and packed with recovery-supporting nutrients. Banana with peanut butter is an excellent morning choice for helping muscles recover, maintain strength, and stay ready for the demands of daily life. Number 5. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese, also known as paneer in many parts of the world, is one of the most underrated foods for muscle repair and recovery. While it may not receive as much attention as eggs or Greek yogurt, it provides a unique nutritional profile that makes it extremely valuable for maintaining and rebuilding muscle tissue. After a night of fasting, your muscles need a steady supply of amino acids to support recovery, and cottage cheese is one of the best foods for delivering that support over an extended period of time. One of the biggest reasons cottage cheese is so effective for muscle health is its high content of casein protein. Unlike whey protein, which is digested quickly, casein breaks down slowly in the digestive system. This slow digestion allows amino acids to be released gradually into the bloodstream, providing your muscles with a continuous supply of nutrients for several hours. This makes cottage cheese especially useful in the morning because it helps nourish muscles long after breakfast is finished. A half-cup serving of cottage cheese can provide around 12 to 14 grams of high-quality protein, depending on the variety. This protein contains essential amino acids that are necessary for repairing damaged muscle fibers and supporting muscle protein synthesis. Regularly consuming enough protein is one of the most important factors in preserving muscle mass and maintaining strength as you age. Cottage cheese is also rich in important nutrients such as calcium, phosphorus, selenium, and vitamin B12. Calcium plays a critical role in muscle contractions, while vitamin B12 supports energy production and overall nervous system function. These nutrients work together to help your muscles perform efficiently and recover properly after physical activity. Another advantage of cottage cheese is its versatility. It can be enjoyed on its own or paired with fresh fruits such as berries, apples, or peaches for added vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber. Some people prefer combining it with nuts and seeds for extra healthy fats and nutrients. It can also be spread on whole grain toast for a balanced breakfast that includes protein and complex carbohydrates. Rich in slow-digesting protein and packed with muscle-supporting nutrients, cottage cheese remains one of the smartest morning foods for promoting muscle recovery, preserving lean muscle mass, and supporting strength and mobility as the years go by.